Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2010 Toyota Matrix with some great exterior features that include 16-inch wheels and a hood deflector. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got gray cloth interior. This Matrix also comes with all-weather floor mats. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here you have your power mirror adjustments. This Matrix comes with 213,000 kilometers. Over in the middle you have your AM/FM radio. You also have Bluetooth phone connection. Right below that you have your climate controls. In the center here we have our gear shifter, and down at the bottom you have an auxiliary outlet along with an additional outlet. Taking a look at the rear seats, you have two fold-out cup holders on the back of your center console, along with a storage pouch in the driver's seat back. The back of this Matrix comes with a ton of storage space with the rear seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the rear seats easily fold down. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2010 Toyota Matrix with some great interior features that include all-weather floor mats, power mirror adjustments, and plenty of storage space. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.